Monica and welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you another recipe perfect to take for a barbecue. It joins the sourness of feta and the sweetness of watermelon, and it's perfect for adults, but children will love it as well. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, so let's start. For this recipe, what you're gonna need is half of a medium-sized watermelon, some feta, some fresh chopped mint, and some roasted sunflower seeds. For the sauce, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a juice from 1 lime, and pepper. First thing that you want to do is peel the watermelon, get rid of the seeds, and then basically chop it. What you want to do is chop the watermelon into probably about 1/2-inch pieces, so it's easy to eat them and put them on a fork. Next, you want to chop the feta into smaller pieces than the watermelon. I like them so this size. The next thing, you just want to pour in the roasted seeds and add the freshly chopped mint and mix it all. That looks delicious, so yummy and so beautiful. Not everyone in my family likes black olives or olives at all. Very salty. I love to add them. The salad is perfect right now, but if you like olives, just add them. I have here sliced about 10 black olives. They give a bit colors and they add saltiness. So next, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a juice from a lime, and pepper. Oh my god, that's good. The sweetness of the watermelon with the saltiness of feta cheese and with black olives, that just goes so well together. It will be so refreshing with some heavy meat. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for a salty and sweet watermelon salad to take for a barbecue. For more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes, please consider subscribing. Thank you, SMACZNEGO, and see you next time. Bye bye!